This is Tag Out and Drag Out, your host Jason Carr. How to make your rifles as accurate as possible. No cost improvements. Tighten your action screws to proper torque. Check screws on your scope rings and bases. Make sure they're proper specification. Your barrel needs to be free floated. Use good quality components such as a good quality scope as a Leupold Vortex or Burris. Have a light, clean trigger pull. Make sure you have a proper cheek weld, proper length of pull, and a bipolar shooting rest can help. If you can't achieve the accuracy you want, you may need to consider replacing your stock barrel or trigger. It's always important to remember to practice, and get more practice. Find the ammunition that is most accurate in your rifle. Remember to use good quality components and have realistic expectations. Low recoil rifles are the easiest to get accurate. A barrel tuner can help, a muzzle brake can help reduce recoil, and so can a suppressor. Depending on what type of shooting you're doing, you may need to adjust your trigger pull. Bench rest is usually lighter, hunting is heavier. The most accurate rifles I've ever owned are the Ruger Precision Rifle, Bergara B14 HMR, and so forth. Precision rifles on my wish list are the Bergara B15 BMP, Bergara HMR Pro. There are many options to improve your accuracy, but it's really up to the shooter and your expectations of what you want. This is one of my favorite range rifles, my Savage 110 Tactical 6mm ARC and MDT XRS chassis. And my other favorite is my Savage B22 Precision Rifle.